Commercial real estate investing, triple net leases. Let's talk about it. All right. So this is the benefits, that one of the things that's better than residential real estate. So with a commercial real estate investing, they have something called triple net lease. Not every tenant is on a triple net lease, right? But when you negotiate that, that means the tenants will pay your rent, okay, your property tax, and the insurance on the building. I repeat, your rent, your property tax, and the insurance, and they'll handle repairs. Now, you might be responsible for building structure majority of the time, unless that's negotiated. Now, building structure, what does that mean, right? With building structure means like the roof and the structure of the building you're responsible for. If a HVAC unit goes out, mechanical, you may or may not be responsible for that. That just depends what's in the lease. But everything else, they handle. Beautiful lease. All right. It's a beautiful lease. What does that mean? That means that all the money you just going to get in the plus. It's a great situation, man, where you don't have to take care of that stuff. So, the building I have this running, we have a tenant on a triple net lease. Okay. And another thing about residential real estate, like, you know how like when, I'm sorry about commercial real estate. I'm sorry. With residential real estate, we say, yo, how much the rent? The rent is $2,200 a month. All right. It's $2,200 a month. But with commercial real estate, right? With commercial real estate, the thing about that, it'll go like this, right? It'll go, $10 a square foot, $12 a square foot, $20 a square foot. So let's say I got a building that's 5,000 square feet, right? So 5,000 square feet, and with that 5,000 square feet or whatever, it'll be $10 a square feet, right? That's $5,000 a month that they have to pay in rent. So, it goes by the square footage, all right? What things rent for by square footage. Overall, once you get a building running, it's a beautiful thing. And with another thing about commercial real estate, right? The building is actually more valuable if it has a tenant. The building is actually more valuable if it has a tenant. If it's vacant, it's not that valuable. If it has a tenant, and you can take that lease, like let's say you got a tenant on a 7-year, 10-year lease, right? And banks like longer leases, but you can take that lease to your local bank and do some refinancing if you need to, refinancing the debt just based off the lease and the strength of the tenant. So it's a dope thing. And another thing, right? Like I haven't done yet. I have got approached, but it never came through. Another thing that I like about the commercial real estate is something called land leases. And I'm going to get more into this because we had somebody approach us multiple times, but just never got one to the closing table, where somebody's like, yo, I want to lease your land. I'll pay you $4,000 a month. All right. Just to lease your land. And they'll do like a 20-year lease, 30-year lease, 100-year lease, 400-year lease, because they just want to lease the land, and they might build a structure and, just have access to it, that's a great situation with a land lease, because that's real generational flow. So let's say you do like a name brand coffee place, right? And they do a 100-year lease. Of course, you're not going to live 100 years, but that's something that your family can pass down and continue to get paid off of that, right? So that's a dope situation. In our situation, we have a building in front and we got land in the back. And being that we got land in the back, we've been approached a few times, but we couldn't never get a deal to the closing table due to things out of our control in the area that it was like, I probably won't fit. So we would have been making money off the building in the front and the land in the back. So, you can't beat nothing like that. But, that's commercial real estate investing. That's triple net leases. We covered land leases. And yeah, man, commercial real estate is good when it's good, but when it's bad, boy, them bills could leave you homeless. And I'm being real with you, bro. So what I want you to do at this point, man, yo, click on that video next to me. Check out my building. You've had to put a tenant out and get a new tenant in. I'm Nasser, a.k.a. the real estate guru. I'm not a guru. I'm a doer because I actually do this business. Peace.